How are we, Fraserburgh? I hope you're all well. Mr. Flanagan here, giving you a quick run through of the competition that we're going to be running here at the school over the next couple of weeks. Now, Fraserburgh Academy, you're going to be taking part in the distance competition. And if you see on the PE Twitter or on your Microsoft Teams, you'll see either a poster that Mr. Smith made or a presentation that's been made by the PE department to give you all the information you need to put in the effort that's needed for Fraserburgh Academy and your class to come out on top. Now, all we need you to do is to go out a walk, a run, or a cycle. Now, you can do this as many times as you want. Every time you go out, you need to track how far you travel, and this needs to be done in either steps or in miles. So you can use anything to track how far you travel. You can use your phone, or you can use a smartwatch that's able to track how far you've travelled on either your feet or by bike, in steps or in miles. After that, you then go into your PE Teams channel. You then go into the assignment that's been created for it, and you click and fill out the form. But one thing that I need to emphasise here is that at the end of your form, it's going to ask you to upload a screenshot or a photo of the distance that you've covered in either steps or in miles. You need to do this, and you also need to show us the date. We need to be able to prove that you've done it on that day, or the results that we're going to be putting in are going to be false and they're not going to be fair. So please make sure that the screenshots you put in, make sure show that how far you've travelled and that you've done it on that day. Your teacher will then add up your distance, and then at the end of every week, we're going to tell you which classes are on top and which year groups are on top. And finally, you're going to be working as a whole school. So we're going to be going up against the likes of Banff, Inverurie and Mintlaw. So we're going to be going up against all these schools in a league table. So from S1 all the way up to S4, we're going to add up all your distances in miles, and we're going to see where we place against the other schools. So this should be an added motive for you. Fraserburgh Academy needs to come out on top on this. So as I've just mentioned there, you're not only representing your class, for example 1P1, you're also going to be representing your year groups. So you're going to be going up against S2s, S3s and S4s. And finally, you're going to be working together as part of a school to try and beat all the local schools. So, who's going to come out on top? Please check the Twitter for updates and all the league tables, which will be posted at the end of the week. So I'm going to quickly run through how it looks on Teams for you. So on your Teams channel, your teacher will post up this. I'll give you all the instructions that you need to do again. So watch this YouTube of myself going through it. Read the PowerPoint yourself. Go out your walk, jog, and your cycle. Track it with either your smartwatch or your phone. Complete the form, which you'll find attached here. Complete all the questions, and then at the end, make sure you upload that screenshot for proof, and make sure we can see that you've done it on the day also with the date. One thing that I'm going to emphasize here also is that you can do as many runs, walks and cycles as you want. So when it comes to filling out the form, it'll tell you that you're able to submit another form. So just keep on submitting, keep on going out, keep on being active, covering all those miles and steps, and see how far you can make it to put your class on top and ultimately put Fraserburgh Academy on top of the league. So along with your team's assignment, you'll see that I've uploaded this slideshow that's similar to the poster. So all we're looking for you to do is to go a walk, jog or a cycle, track it with your phone or your smartwatch. There's some ideas here what you can use to track it. On Teams, complete the form, complete all the questions. It'll ask you for your name, which class you're in, how far did you travel, and how you upload, and the upload of your screenshot, your photo, which must include the date. Do as many as you want. Keep on submitting on Teams. And a couple of targets. So as a class, and as a year group, are you able to make it to Aberdeen in the week, which is 41.6 miles away? And I've got some more targets here for you for Dundee, Glasgow and Edinburgh. And finally, are you able to make it to the English border, which is 237 miles away as a class or as a year group? So let's keep a little eye on that. So like I say, Fraserburgh, please read the instructions carefully, go out your walk and your jog, track it, screenshot it after you're finished, and then click on this form here and complete all the questions and submit it to your teacher. So as a quick summary, keep an eye out for updates on the PE Twitter, read through the poster and the slideshow, enjoy the competition, give it 100% like you have done with the home learning tasks, and I look forward to seeing who comes out on top. Good luck.